I just turned my browser into a fully autonomous AI agent. It can browse the web, click buttons, fill out complex forms, scrape data, and essentially do my work for me. And the best part? It's fully automated. All I need to give it is a single text prompt. Here, I just asked, go to Google Maps, search for restaurants in New York, open the top 5 businesses in a new tab, scrape their business name, rating, number of reviews, phone number, and website link, and update the data in a new Google Sheet. And just like that, it opened Google Maps, searched for restaurants in New York, opened the top 5 businesses in a new tab, collected the details, and created a Google Sheet with that, all on autopilot. This is rtrvr.ai, an AI web agent platform that comes with different features, and I am going to break it down today. It mainly has 4 features. The first one is, as I showed in the quick demo, the Chrome extension, which we can install in our browser and use to automate tasks. The second one is the Claude platform, where we can use the platform's cloud virtual browsers to run 100+ tasks simultaneously. The next one is the API with MCP support, through which we can connect with different platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and N8N, and give a prompt to run tasks. And the fourth and most interesting one is the WhatsApp bot. We can send a message to perform a task or retrieve data directly from WhatsApp itself. First, let's check the Chrome extension. Just click here and, from the Chrome Web Store, install the extension on your browser. I have already done it, and here you can see that. You will be asked to sign in with an account for the first time. Okay, here let's give the prompt. Go to Google Maps, search for restaurants in New York, open the top 5 businesses in a new tab, scrape their business name, rating, number of reviews, phone number, and website link, and update the data in a new Google Sheet. Let's hit enter and wait for the agentic action. Now it analyzes our request, and at the top, we can see a new agentic tab. Now it opens Google Maps and searches for restaurants in New York. I am not doing anything now. It's all running on autopilot. The business list has loaded, and it opens 5 parallel tabs with all the top 5 businesses. And here we go. It retrieved the data and created a Google Sheet with all the details. In the extension, we can do some settings. Here, we can add our own free Gemini API key from Google AI Studio, so it won't consume the platform credits, and we will be able to use it for free. Here is the page load delay. 500 microseconds is the optimum. And just like before, it opened 5 parallel tabs. Here, we can increase the number to speed up the tasks. And here is the MCP option, by which we can trigger the browser action from any external platform like ChatGPT, Claude, etc. And I will show you that in the next part. Now, let's try another one. Go to LinkedIn, create a new post comparing AI automation versus AI agents, and highlight the key differences and use cases in a clear, engaging tone. And let's see what it does. As you know, LinkedIn is a complex platform that comes with a lot of bot detection. But Retriever AI acts like a human. It has opened LinkedIn, searched for the post button, and now creates the post. And here we go. It is posted. It works like magic. Let's try another one. Here we have the option to attach files or add Google Sheets. So let's add a Google Sheet that contains 5 Instagram profile links. Now let's ask, visit each Instagram profile link listed in the Google Sheet and follow them. Now it opens 5 tabs, follows the profiles, and updates the status in the Google Sheet. That's it. As I mentioned before, by using the Retriever MCP, we can connect with external tools like ChatGPT, Claude, etc. to trigger browser actions. In ChatGPT, I asked it to suggest a good Garmin watch under 30,000, and I got some results. Now let's say I want to add this product to my Amazon cart. So here, I have connected the Retriever MCP with my ChatGPT. Let me select it. Now let's ask, call the Retriever MCP and go to Amazon and add the first one to the cart. Now it's calling the tool and asking for permission. Let's allow it. Now it has opened a new agentic tab, goes to Amazon, and searches for the product, Garmin Forerunner 165. And here we go. It's in my cart. And in the same way, we can use this MCP to connect with any other platform like N8N. Here, I connected the MCP using an HTTP node. Let's ask, go to chatgpt.com, ask for top Indian restaurants in San Francisco, and extract the list. Just like that, it opened ChatGPT, prompted for top Indian restaurants in San Francisco, and now it's going to retrieve the results and send them back to N8N. It's done. Here is the restaurant list. Okay, now let's check the Retriever Cloud platform. Before, the Chrome extension used our own browser to do the task. Here, it will use its Cloud virtual browser to do any task at scale. Let's give a task. For the Reddit thread URL attached, extract the post title, author, upvote count, post content, and the top 10 comments with their authors and scores. And now, let's attach this Reddit thread URL. Here, we can choose the model if needed and have proxy options. Let's click send. It has started the execution. Let's wait until it completes. And here we go. Here are the retrieved results with all the details we asked for. Let's try another one. Go to the attached website and filter by today. For the top 10 products, extract the product, name, tagline, upvote count, maker name, website URL, and the top 5 comments, and update them in a Google Sheet. And here, let's add the website link producthunt.com, which is a new tech products launching platform. Let's send it and see. It's completed, and here's the Google Sheet with all the product details. On the left side, we have some other options like executions, where we can see our past executions. The next one is tools, where we can connect other MCP servers. And we have the schedule option to schedule a task. This will be helpful if you want to track or monitor a website or something. And the next option is trigger, where we can use this webhook URL to trigger any specific task. And the next important one is the API, which we can use to connect any third-party platform like N8N or Zapier. Here is the API documentation. We have 3 API endpoints. The first one is agents, which we can use to do complex tasks like clicking buttons, filling forms, and retrieving data. The next one is the scrape API, which we can use to just scrape the content of a web page. And the third one is the MCP, which is for the Chrome extension that I have already shown you. Let's check how these two work. The first one is the scrape API. Here I have created a simple request setup using an HTTP node in N8N. In the request, I have added the Claude pricing page. Now let's execute it and see what it returns. It's done, and here is the output. Unlike other scraping tools like Firecrawl, it only returns the raw page text and accessibility trees. This will be super helpful for passing directly to LLM models. Now, let's check the agents API. So here is the HTTP request. Let me connect it here. And in the request, I just asked, open the HubSpot demo request page, fill out the form with test details, submit the form, and after submission, extract the confirmation message, any pricing info shown, and next step instructions. And here I have given the link, and this is how the page looks. This is a complex task, and let's see how the agents API manages it. It's done, and here is the output. Thanks for requesting a demo. This is the exact confirmation message we get once we submit the form manually, so it's working perfectly. And the final one is the WhatsApp feature, where we can enter our phone number to get AI agent access. From WhatsApp, you can just send a message to execute a task. Let's say we want to retrieve this product price. So here, I just pasted the product link, and I asked, check the price of this product. Now it's processing our request, and we can see the progress here. And here we go, we got the product price. So we don't have to go to the website and do things manually. We can just send a message on WhatsApp and get it done. So that's it. I hope you understand this platform, and now it's your turn. I will provide the platform link in the video description. Check it out and let me know your thoughts. I will be uploading more AI and automation videos in the upcoming days. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.